Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Git deployment with SSH keys on VPS, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Git deployment with SSH keys on your VPS, begin by logging into your VPS via SSH. Use your terminal or command prompt and enter the SSH command followed by your VPS credentials. Once logged in, check if Git is installed by typing Git version. If Git is not installed, install it using your package manager. For Ubuntu, the command is sudo apt-get install git. Next, generate a new SSH key on your local machine using the command ssh keygen trsab4096c your email at example.com. Press enter to accept the default file location for the key. You will then be prompted to enter a passphrase for added security. After entering the passphrase, your SSH key pair will be generated. Navigate to the SSH configuration directory by entering cd/.ssh. Open your public key file with a text editor using nano_id_rsa.pub. Copy the entire contents of the public key file. Next, return to your VPS. Create an .ssh directory in your home folder if it doesn't already exist by running dirp/.ssh. Set the correct permissions for the .ssh directory with chmod 700/.ssh. Create a file named authorized_keys using touch/.ssh/authorized_keys. Open the authorized_keys file in a text editor. Paste your copied public key into this file and save it. Set the correct permissions for the authorized_keys file with chmod 600/.ssh/authorized_keys. Now, test the SSH connection back to your VPS. Use the command SSH user at your VPS IP to connect. If successful, you will see a welcome message from your server. Now, configure your Git repository for deployment. On your VPS, navigate to your project directory. Initialize a Git repository if it does not already exist using Git init. Add the remote repository using the command git remote add origin git at repository-url.git. You should now set up automatic deployment with a post-receive hook. Create a file named post-receive in the .git/hooks directory. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.